No matter what kind of project you do, whether those projects are happening in agile environment or happening in waterfall environment, we do use various kind of estimation techniques to estimate time or cost. We do use analogous estimation techniques, parametrics are there, bottom up estimates are there, 3 point estimates are there. If you are specifically working in the agile project, there are t-shirt sizing, there are planning focus, and so on. In this video, we are going to discuss only one estimation technique, that is 3 point estimation technique. This is really important, powerful, and popular estimation techniques that we do use in the project for calculating time and the cost. The 3 point estimation technique generate three estimates. Specifically, when we do consider uncertainty and risk in the project, to cope up those, we do use 3 point estimation techniques that generates three estimations for each and every activities or for project. So first estimate will be optimistic. Second estimate will be most likely, and third estimate will be pessimistic. Now let's understand this optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. See, when you will be calculating time or budget for your project, you will be considering optimistic estimate, that is the first, which is where you do consider everything is in favor of your activity or your project, right? Everything you are considering going in the favor of that activity. There would be no obstacle, there would be no challenges. So that is optimistic estimate. Second is most likely, where you do consider average situation. There might be some risk, there might be some obstacle, there might be some challenges may arise, and that may impact the project. Third estimate is pessimistic estimate. That is where you do consider everything is against activity or against the project. Means everything is negative, not in the favor of that activity or project. There might be some delay because of some risk, because of some challenges. There might be cost impacted, there might be time impacted, and that is why this is the pessimistic estimate. Let's understand 3 point estimation technique with one example. A project manager is estimating time to complete one of his software development project, and this kind of project team has already done in the past. But this project involves new technology, there are high uncertainty, there are some challenges. Now, using 3 point estimates, we will be estimating optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. So let's suppose optimistic estimate is 6 weeks, most likely estimate is 8 weeks, and pessimistic estimate is 12 weeks. Now we have to calculate this three estimate to get average estimation range, right? To do calculate these three estimates, we will be using either PERT method or triangular method. Now, triangular method we will be not using in this scenario because the scenario, as I mentioned here, saying similar project has been done in the past, means here we have sufficient information about the project, right? So in that case, remember, always we will be using PERT method. So formula for PERT is optimistic plus 4 times most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. If you place the values of optimistic 6 weeks, most likely 8 weeks, and pessimistic 12 weeks, it will become 10 weeks. Now, what this result is? This 10-week result is showing possible range of outcomes. It means a project manager can do plan accordingly, and he can take decision accordingly considering the risk and challenges in his project. Hope you got to understand 3 point estimations, you got to understand more optimistic, pessimistic, most likely you also got to understand when to use PERT method and how to calculate PERT method. If you got to understand it, hit the like button and do consider subscribing the channel because we will keep bringing this kind of valuable videos for your PMP certification. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.